Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanif Andi Nugraha, and today in this video I want to talk about some ways to improve listening and speaking skills. When I first learning English, I believe that studying grammar was the most important thing. But after practicing more, I found out that communication skill, especially listening and speaking, are what really help us use English in daily life. For me, these two skills were not easy to improve, but I learned several methods that helped me a lot. The first one, I want to talk about listening. One of my biggest problem was understanding people who spoke English very quickly. Sometimes I knew the vocabulary, but I still couldn't follow the conversation clearly. At first, I always tried to catch every word. However, this made me lose focus and feel frustrated. After some time, I changed my learning style. Instead of listening every word, I start paying attention to the general meaning and important points. This made listening much less stressful. Another method that really helped me was listening repeatedly. For example, if I watch an English video, I listen once to understand the topic. Then I replay to notice more details. And sometimes I repeat difficult parts again. By doing this regularly, I become more familiar with the pronunciation and speaking patterns. I also use subtitles sometimes, especially when learning new expressions. I also use subtitles, but after that, I try listening again without subtitles, so I can train my ears better. Besides studying formally, I also practice listening through entertainment like music, film, podcasts, and social media videos. I think learning becomes more effective when the process is enjoyable. Next one, I want to discuss about speaking. For me, speaking was difficult because I lack of confidence. I often worry about making grammatical mistake or pronouncing words incorrectly. Because of that, I was sometimes afraid to speak. But eventually, I understood that mistakes are a normal part of learning. So, instead of trying to sound perfect, I focus on practicing more often. One thing I usually do is practicing alone. For example, I talk about my experience or my activities, and I describe things around me, or I share my thoughts in English. That simple habits help me become more comfortable speaking English. Another useful habit is trying to think in English. Previously, I translate everything from Indonesian into English before speaking. This took too much time and made me nervous. Now, I try to use simple English directly in my mind. As a result, speaking feels smoother and more natural. I also realize that improvement doesn't happen instantly. Fluency develops slowly through regular practice and patience. In conclusion, improving listening and speaking skills requires continuous practice and self-confidence. From my experience, listening regularly, speaking without fear, and practicing consistently. That's all can help us become better English learners. We don't have to be perfect. The important thing is to keep learning and keep trying. Thank you very much for watching